Hey guys, quick tip for you guys. Fishing winter steelhead to make some weighted bobbers. These things cost a fortune. And I have a little bit of a trick that I've been using for a few years, using these Thrill bobbers. They're about 97 cents. Sometimes you can get 5 for a couple of bucks, depending on the sale at Dick's or Big 5, wherever you go. But essentially, what you're going to do is epoxy and wrap some lead on the bottom of your bobber to make your weighted bobbers for your steelhead jigs. Depending on what you're using, if you're using, big 1/2 inch or 1/2 ounce, 1/4 ounce jigs for your steelhead fishing, you can make a weighted bobber. Kind of corresponds to what you are what you're fishing with. It's pretty quick and simple. A little bit of dry time for the epoxy, but this is pretty effective, especially in a pinch, getting ready for the night before some steelhead fishing. You need to put something together. I use these 5-minute set epoxies. These work great. I always put the R and a W on those. Red and white caps. Don't get those mixed up. That can be a bad date. But as long as you clip a little bit of lead and pound these out nice and flat, like so. Take these leads, wrap them on the bottom portion of these bobbers, like so. Usually I have a scale out here. Give me a mark to hit if I'm looking to keep afloat a 1/4 inch or a 1/4 ounce or a 1/2 ounce. I don't know why I keep saying that. Anyway, that's a little big, but you kind of get the idea. As soon as you get that wrapped around, you'll mix up your epoxy, glue that in, and there you go. And you run your leaders, your slip bobber knots and everything like that, and you got a weighted bobber that's dialed in specifically to what you're fishing or what you're going to be fishing, and you don't have to spend $7 to $8 on a bobber. I would say that probably costs 97 cents for the bobber. Everyone's got a roll of lead somewhere in their pack. This stuff is 8 to 12 bucks. Clip off a little piece. You're looking at maybe less than $2 a bobber. Alright, have a good one. Bye.